Physician he is.
Or a concert pianist or something.
Plastic surgeon.
You stop everything until you've got the blood or the surgeons or the spare parts you need.
Brilliant young plastic surgeon, Dr. Philip Schlotkin.
I guarantee you I cannot outdiagnose any attending and surgeon in this hospital.
A friend of mine is chief surgeon in Kamilka.
Surgeon and a physio
I'm
team.
a tree surgeon? I'm just here to look
We'll
at the
see
tree.
if our computer brain surgeon and psychiatrist.
Physician he is. Ain't one of your common surgeons.
Can I have the coin, please?
That was beautiful to watch, Howard, like a surgeon or a concert pianist or something.
Thank you, Mary.
If you thought it necessary, I suppose you would even have sent me to a plastic surgeon.
Thanks. Someone's dying, you freeze him. You stop everything until you've got the blood or the surgeons or the spare parts you need. This is worth much more than any one man, even—
Doing to my daughter!
Permit me to introduce the brilliant young plastic surgeon, Dr. Philip Schlotkin. The greatest nose job man in the entire—
About medicine, I've studied relentlessly. I guarantee you I cannot outdiagnose any attending and surgeon in this hospital.
Work certificate. Nurse's aide. Friend of mine is chief surgeon in Kamilka.
What about Sayuri? Can't we go together?
So she knows better than my doctor, a consultant surgeon and a physio team. Well, I want to appeal.
Ever tried to pull your head off? I don't know. I'm a tree surgeon? I'm just here to look at the tree.
Can I help you?
It's time to unleash Chandra. We'll see if our computer brain surgeon and psychiatrist can put Hal back together again. To tell you the—
I'm Dr. Hyman, the internist. I'm Dr. Gary, the surgeon.
I'm Dr. Ballinger, the cardiologist.
I knew we should have gone to UCLA. The surgeons are better. The post op is better.
Wouldn't have made any difference.
You don't know that. We're not.
A doctor, sir? Yes, I'm a surgeon. A tourist and an American citizen. 3 good reasons why I should have nothing in common with Louis Bernard. I did.
The surgeon should be along shortly.
She's wasted you. She married a brilliant surgeon and turned him into an undertaker.
All they have to do is put on his side of the helmet. The Surgeon General has determined that playing football is hazardous to your health.
You gotta put it on both sides of the helmet.
Faster. Duncan's a surgeon. We're switching numbers. Every car gets a new life. Jump.
Wasn't fit when I put him back in rotation. Flight surgeon wouldn't clean bill him, so I talked my way right past him.
Or you'd be dead by now. Trust me.
What are you, a surgeon?
Yeah.
She's in the recovery room now, okay? Her vital signs are stable. The surgeon will be out to speak to you in a few moments and let you know what's going on.
She's okay.
She's doing good.
The Eagle's a leading philanthropist. The other is a cardiothoracic surgeon at Mass General, and the third managed—
You don't know? Who's this, your brain surgeon? Dr. Feelgood?
Sitting on their asses waiting for handouts. Our husbands weren't brain surgeons. They were blue-collar guys. The only way they could make extra money—
It's in the hands of some physician I've never even met. Some surgeon who probably drinks more martinis than Ray and—
Oh, Kitty.
I mean,
Scully. On piano, steel saw, Surgeon Clifford. Dean Mr. Nipple Fay on sax.
Making of a Randall Steckel forging. The surgeon, not pretentious. Randall Steckel Genesis?
Hey, say, why don't you join us? We got 2 brain surgeons, an ear, nose, and throat specialist, a proctologist, and 3 nurses from Bellevue.
No, thanks. I don't feel like it. But look, Doc.
Come to the point, Dr. Lenorius.
The state charges that Dr. Zira and a corrupt surgeon named Galen experimented on this wounded animal.
Going to be a world-famous imposter, right?
Says he's posed at one time or another as a surgeon at Johns Hopkins, as a theoretical submolecular high velocity.
Oh, and Dr. Jenka, the royal surgeon!
Then we can count on the royal help.
Let me introduce you to my colleagues. This is Professor Cantier, neurosurgeon.
I know who everyone is.
So I hear that you work with athletes?
Yeah, I'm a physician and a surgeon. Mostly work with the Knicks right now, but... Well,
the one to town is, but that's about it. I called the hospital, and I talked to the head orthopedic surgeon, and I told him who you were and what had happened.
General Lee, you all right, sir?
Sergeant, call for the surgeon, quickly! Give me up, boys.
Thought this was business. My compliments to your surgeon, Mr. McCarthy. Remarkable transformation. But you still...
Past year, documents that appear to confirm what a former U.S. Surgeon General and the current head of the Food and Drug Administration have done.
This isn't the hospital.
Oh, so now you're a rocket surgeon. Come on, get inside.
For my modern-day saint, I chose a man who...
And I thought, why not? What the hell? I'm a surgeon.
Surgeon? Where'd you study medicine? In Transylvania?
So I performed the operation and everything went...
I didn't know I could handle a wound. I'm a surgeon. Look. Okay, Wheeler. Then come on over here.
The surgeon said his brain was filled with tumors. A myriad of tumors.
Thy wounds, they smack upon a boat. Go get him, surgeon.
Replaced. I think he's too young and inexperienced. I'd prefer my surgery. Would you inform the administrator, please?
Dr. Rohr is one of our
I'd like him replaced if you don't.
Of course, I love my husband, who is also a doctor, plastic surgeon for small farm animals.
Good. I'm married too.
This guy, he's a top plastic surgeon. I think I could get him to see you tonight.
I do.
He was a surgeon.
God, that must...
My name is Frederick Treves, and I'm a surgeon here at the London Hospital. And,
I use girls that look like movie stars. Sometimes I employ a plastic surgeon. When the work had been done, that's when you saw us.
So it's what this is. We look for a butcher. We look for a hunter.
More like a surgeon.
More like surgeon.
Silas remains mute about his years as a military surgeon, the war, and most of all.
It's the one thing the surgeons can't change, can they? The eyes.
Theatre's through there. We're short on everything, including surgeons.
Its actual existence can only be surmised and determined by an immediate post-mortem by a veterinary surgeon trained in brewing diseases.
Pipe down, Gomez.
Death like this.
It's a new show.
Mind our business.
Yeah, but what's a respectable neurosurgeon doing in a crack house?
I don't know.
The werewolves.
There's nothing anybody can do for him. He'll be dead before they can ever get him back to a surgeon. I can't ask you to go out there. Or maybe it's...
Now, I just found out the Surgeon General has reviewed the Home Health Sanitation Initiative that...
Crime surgeon.
Crime doctor.
Crime doctor, crime surgeon, crime dentist. Who cares, really? Let's face it, John.
First name? Jack.
I've been an attending surgeon on the staff of this hospital for 11 years.
Then you should... Fortunately, no.
Tell the surgeon striker to bring up the pack mule, cross the Rio Grande. With your permission, Lieutenant.
I granted with gratitude, senor.
His belly swelled so much that the surgeon had to make a puncture to drain off the fluid. The incision became inflamed.
Your Holiness, a surgeon to save the body
must often hack off a limb.
She's had extensive treatment. Finest surgeons, had nurses around the clock. Best attention. Because, as you know, she's